Thank you. Now just a call introduction when you go meet another respect person. Next comedian. Who is a comedian? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mecoyo. I'm a former comedian, currently an upcoming Yahoo boy. Yes, I don't go join YHK. Currently, I'm in charge of running jail. Our chairman not promised me, say by next week, if I do well, they will promote me to I2 scan department. That will be that I will use the pressure key for this country. All the people, all these possible boys, when they beg me that time, because your place carry me along, you come and carry me along, now that will carry me now. No, they don't buy beds. 2020. Now when I enter one of those boys' beds, now I take no white guests before for your boys. So have you entered into any beds from 2020 above? When I was beside that car, begin to develop feeling for the boy. Even when I walk come out, I call it like, do you mind taking my number? You can call me anytime. No, Yahoo boys now what to do. In fact, if you're a Yahoo boy here, you are picking and they have not picked you. Thunder will fire you in Jesus' name. Oh, now I'm not even proud of my job, but I'm not even shouting. Even me, I'm not even proud of this job. Very useless job. This was never what I planned for my life. I hope that once I graduate from accounting, I'll see an accounting firm. Since I graduated, even Akara, I don't see. So nobody told me when I can't. It's a very useless job. Sometimes I wonder how my children will behave in school. Maybe in class now they ask, yo, what does your daddy do? My daddy is a banker. He works with EcoBank. You, what does your daddy do? My daddy is an engineer. He works with NNPC. They will not reach my own. They will not ask my child, what does your daddy do? Say, my daddy is a comedian. I used to do like Momo. Think I'm proud of this job? If I'm not proud of it, Yahoo boys should not be proud of their job. Those people are overdoing. You Yahuites, I know this joke will not switch you because it's a Yahush joke. But I'm not happy at all. Yahoo boy will just carry your full life savings. Give your girlfriend 300,000 and write, go for pizza, baby. They will piss you unless I'm not called. They will catch you. And if I be a man of God, they will catch you. I'm angry. Oh, you think I'm happy? You don't feel like frowning. I'm bastardizing your job. I know you are angry, but me myself, I'm angry as well. The height of it all, today. I don't even know why pastors even take tithe from Yahoo boys. One boy just pay money for tithe like this. Pastors pay the off journey. What happened? He said normally because if na club you spend this kind of money, they go off light. Because they sing Dorime. So we need to respect it. No. Then apart from Yahoo boys, another epidemic we have is sugar daddies. I know that I used to support you people, but please leave our girlfriends alone. You don't read your chat of your girlfriend and sugar daddy. Sugar, I just read the chat. He said, come baby, come, let me take you to Dubai. Let me go and show you the world. I said, good girl. He said, well baby, you know I have a boyfriend. He said, no problem, we can take him along. Me. As I did like this, you take... No, it's fine. It's fine. Now just because when I went don't even still pick small, now they even try for the girls. That's why they follow these older men. Because sometimes I feel like supporting them. Now, for example now, older man, she gives them 100,000 or 200,000. The only thing we do is, he will sleep. But you see all these young boys that have not made anything. First of all, they will not give you 1 naira, but they want to shift your kidney. The day they mistakenly give you 3,000 naira, you're gone. They will hang your leg in the city. Yeah. If you come inside somewhere and see your sister, somebody hang her like this, how will you feel? You people should do better. And for those of you that are following sugar daddy, please continue. Keep doing what you are doing. But God never fails. The people that will follow your husband are in Jesus still right now, writing home economics assignment. Unless I'm not called, they will hold your husband. You know, as I keep praying to whoever I am going to marry, I keep praying. Please don't follow sugar daddy because they say karma is a bitch. So if you follow sugar daddy, which means somebody go follow your husband, But as a man of God, I wouldn't want that kind of thing to happen to me. So please, I don't want to pay for your sin. But if what is love for? If there is need for me to pay for your sin, who am I? Who am I? Ladies and gentlemen, okay, like that, you will tell me time up. We're not going to stress ourselves. Please, just before I go, that first thing when I talk, I want to do a bit of Yahoism and little of ritualism. So please, anybody when get shop log for any baba where they do ritual, you can just give me. The first one where they give me, do fake ritual for me. I went to meet him like other people. Baba cut soup for me, cut soup for me. Then he just gave me a soup, and they use soup, and just the fresh, no money. Oh no, he said that organic soup, the idiot sell for me. Fake ritual. But when a good night, don't stress me.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.